this truck is like an old SUV. What's going on, crew? Hey guys, we are heading to buddy Jason's. Try to go ahead and charge your blue ash up as far as AC. I haven't had blue ash out in a while and stuff. Been pretty busy. Hope everybody's doing good out there. Yeah, so actually I tried to charge my system before, and like a rookie mistake. This sometimes come into problems, and that's what I like to show you guys. You know, I like to show you guys not when everything's just going smooth, but hey, you guys know, unfortunately though, with my projects, 9 times out of 10, something is not gonna go smooth. So I mean, you know, we run into problems, guys. Here, I mean, by all means, I am a DIY guy, and you guys are a DIY as well, and we're gonna be on this journey together. That's why I said, man, my show is, you can't get no realer than this, you know. Staging things and staging people, that ain't happening here. But anyway, I'll get back with you guys, and I'll turn you guys back on once we start taking this, charging this AC compressor. I'll turn you guys back on. Pulling up in here to Jason's now up here, so he told me to come this morning. Hopefully, I tell you, hopefully he ain't already backed up. Could be a possibility though. Yeah, I thought it was funny when I came in earlier. The guys was in here watching my videos. Let me show you guys over here. Everybody supporting me. What, you started over? Oh, I thought that was cool. I'm gonna head back over here. Me and Jason supposed to take my hoses from my AC compressor, and we gotta take them up to the unit hydraulics. Evidently I had the hoses backwards, guys. That's why my system wasn't charging. So I will turn you guys back on once we get these hoses and get to go. My buddy's shop man, Steve, and he had all kinds of cool stuff over here, guys. So I'm just gonna do a little quick walkthrough. And this truck, it looks like a 62 or 63. Because I actually had a 62 Chevy pickup truck. And so hey, if you guys haven't seen the build, make sure you go to my YouTube channel. Right now we're over at Steve's place. So he got a shop here in Abilene, Virginia, and he got this 63 or 62. I'm gonna have to make sure that's what it is though. And let's go over here and just hang out for a little bit and let's see what he's working on, guys. Look like Steve doing some body work and stuff. Look at him. He got his wheels. Got the cab corners. He's doing good work. These right, all of this stuff here, y'all saw. If you guys have watched the build on my truck, you know this right here's the inner rocker panel. He got everything. Look at that. He's doing a good job, man. His lined up a lot better than mine did. That was Steve. You're doing a good job, brother.
Working on it.
Golly. Man, I tell you, I love these old trucks, boy. I get excited when I see this stuff. See, he got... All right, guys, so like I said, we were over at Unity Hydraulics, and I'm gonna take you guys and show you. Now, Steve actually got a lot of cool gems back here. I'm gonna just show you guys a glance, but we're gonna come over here and we're gonna do a really good video and stuff. So he got a lot of cool toys here, guys. You can see what we got back there. So I'm just gonna show you real quick and stuff. Because we're gonna come back and I'm gonna help them with some of the welding and stuff like that, and I'm gonna make sure I'm gonna get a plug in. See if they got y'all got a Unity hydraulic sign outside? So if you guys ever in Abilene, Virginia, come check out Steve here at Unity Hydraulics. The phone number is 276-628-8153. These guys will get you right if you're ever in Abilene, Virginia. And actually, I know I got some subscribers that is in Abilene. And matter of fact, guys, I do want to give a shout out to a subscriber. I forget his last name, but his name is Michael. And I'm assuming that he's from Abilene because when I dropped my video for Father's Day about going to look for cars for my wife and everything, I forgot that there's a new Jeep and Dodge dealership that's in Abilene. I believe it's off of exit 14 or 17. So Michael actually told me in the comments down there for me to go check them out. So hey, thanks Michael for letting me know that, because I actually forgot about that. I'm just gonna make a little video of him making my hose for my AC line, guys.
We'll get you fixed up, buddy.
I never. These guys take care of all my hoses and stuff.
Originally, Paul was going to retire, and I was going to retire from compressors.
Yeah.
Up here. Well, I got aggravated, so I left a little early. Of course, he retired, and then he turned around and come back.
So this is Steve, guys. This is the owner here. Steve, what is that machine called?
It's a hose crimper.
A hose crimper.
Yeah, that's what it's called.
Man, I tell you.
It's called a hose crimper.
So you just put it in there and. Oh, now this is a high tech one here. Oh, no, look at this. Steve, you got a camera. You got a camera down there.
We can back it up.
Got a backup camera. Well, I tell you what, I don't even want to ask. I already know this mob got the bells and whistles, so I already know this is an expensive machine here. So basically, you just find the hose, what he's like, what Richie's doing,
He finds the hose you need,
and it does the
and
automatic.
it tells you. It'll tell you.
Wait. What is that you putting in there now, Rich?
That takes your die out. Your die that crimps it.
Yeah.
Pulls it right out, and I'm looking for the number 8 die, which is a 3241.
We'll just swap her out.
Anything that looks like you need FAA license, I stay away from it. Too high tech for me. But that's pretty neat. Yeah, these guys hooking my hoses up for me.
Give her a squeeze. Now you got cold air conditioning.
I appreciate it, man. That's pretty neat, guys. I'm gonna end this video. I just want to do a little short video of me making my hoses and stuff. But actually, I'm not gonna get out here. When we get back to Jason's, we're gonna go to Jason's and finish and put these hydraulic hoses on there, and hopefully I have some cold AC, like Richard said. So I'll turn you guys back on once we get back to Jason's. This is so Jason's one of his buddies. He's a good mentor as well, man. And this is what we all need to be doing, is mentoring these young kids out here. This is what all these young kids need to be doing. Instead of playing video games all the time, out here doing some physical labor work. This is what I used to do when I was younger, man. Now this old Isaac out here, he's helping Jason trim his yard as far as the garage over here. Oh, but that thing was a bee. Give you some light. Oh, you gotta do the same thing to that one, huh? So the problem was my crazy butt had it backwards. Jason looked at it, seriously guys, I'm not lying, for like 10 seconds. And he said that I had probably got it backwards. So I had this one on the suction. but this is the discharge.
Yep. He had the high side on the low and the low side on the high.
God. All right, as you see, guys, see this? Now I got the hose running properly. That's how she be ran down through there. I hope she works. I tell you, I'm tired of fooling with this AC. That's the cold side there. That's the suction, which you can see the condensation is cold, and this is the warm side. Let's go inside and see if it's getting cold inside. Yeah, she's getting cold. So he said I got my gauges backwards there. So really the cold is hot and the hot is cold. So I can easily fix that, that's no problem. It's just my wiring. That's the wiring down there. She's getting cold though. Alright guys, as you see, I'm back in Blue Ash. Hey, we got the AC fixed, man. I am so psyched and so excited and happy. I've been dealing with this AC ever since I put it on. I can't believe I put the hoses on backwards. How did I do that? Wow. Not only did I put the hoses on backwards, I left the plug in. Man, I tell you, I mean, this is the third one that I've done. I had help with the first one, didn't have any issues out of it. And I did my 47. I still got problems out of that, but now I think I know I may have the hoses backwards on that one. So anyway, let's give a big shout out to Jason, man, over at Wallace, repairing stuff. You guys ever in the area, or if you live in the area, Bristol, Virginia, stop by him. Hey, Jason will take good care of you guys. He's a good guy. So I took you guys with me to Unit Hydraulics for like the third time. You guys see me up there, but they take care of all of my hoses and stuff. So big shout out to Steve up there, Unit Hydraulics as well. But today was just a day of me running around, just trying to get this old panel truck together. And I just got a little bit more tweaking to do, and should be ready to view for the world, guys. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and make sure you hit that notification bell, guys, so you can get the latest updates whenever I drop a video. Like I tell everybody, guys, if you got you a good cigar or a fast car or truck, smoke them if you got them, baby.